Hi there, students. Arcane, an adjective. Arcanely, the adverb. Okay, the primary meaning of arcane is something that's only understood by very few people. Something that is obscure and mysterious. So if something is arcane, only a few people know about it, and it would be the opposite of mundane. The arcane world of nuclear particle physics. Okay, it's complicated and only a very few people know about it. The arcane rituals of a secret society. Yeah, these are mysterious and only known by a few people. Notice as well, this word, I think, can also be used to mean very old. For example, an arcane law. So it may be a very old law that may be still in force, but its interpretation is extremely difficult. Yeah, and probably it is irrelevant. You may often find this word arcane with the definition of a word in the dictionary. And when I see it in the dictionary, I think, okay, this is a word only used by very few people, and very probably it's old-fashioned and possibly irrelevant as well. Okay, so something that is only understood by a few, it's very esoteric. Yeah, the arcane rituals of the church, perhaps. Or something that's obscure and mysterious, the arcane origins of the myth of Atlantis, the arcane details of the death of President Kennedy. There are all sorts of theories, but the details are obscure and mysterious. Okay, and this is the idea of arcane, mysterious and only known by a few people. Very complicated, and therefore it's only understood by a very few people. The society had arcane rules for electing a new president of the society. Okay, so it's something arcane, it's mysterious, it's secret, it's hidden. Yeah, the arcane procedures of joining the Masons, for example. Okay, so until recently, this artist was completely unknown by the public and only known in the arcane world of art dealers. Yeah, this is arcanely obscure. It's arcanely complicated. The arcaneness of this subject means that you need secret knowledge to understand it. Yeah, it's too arcane for regular use. Yeah, so the arcane world of arcane knowledge, arcane art. Yeah, maybe interpreting medieval wall paintings. There are a lot of arcane details within it that you need to have specialist knowledge to understand. Okay, so arcane, complicated, only known by a few, not easily understood, and old-fashioned as well. Particularly something that's interpreted in an old-fashioned way. That maybe the arcane Greek interpretation of beauty. Okay, you would have to be a Greek to understand, an ancient Greek to understand exactly what that meant. Okay, so yes, arcane rituals, mysterious, occult. Yeah. The arcane world of specialist scientists. It's cryptic, it's enigmatic. Yeah, it's something that you don't really know a lot about. So, arcane, this is a formal word. I think I'd probably give this something like 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it in uh, in a casual conversation. I'd say complicated, obscure, um, not well understood. Yeah, something that needs secret knowledge, or just old fashioned as well, extremely old. Um, as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from the Latin word arcanus, meaning hidden or secret, which is linked to the Latin word arca, a chest, and that itself comes from, I think, from a Proto-European word. Okay, so arcane, needing secret knowledge, the arcane meanings of some specialized English words. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Arcane, arcanely, arcaneness.